Hello, another early Irish law video. So as you can see, it's about the Tuath. So the Tuath is the basic territorial unit, and the Tuath is translated as tribe or petty kingdom. The number of Tuath in medieval Ireland varies from 5th to 12th centuries, like there'll be about 40, 80 or 150 Tuath. Each king ruled over his own Tuath, and many would be overlords of other kings. The proposed population in Ireland at the time is 500,000, so the population of the average tour will probably be about 3,000 men, women, and children. No tour is considered a tour unless it has a scholar, a churchman, a poet, and king. Life in the tour centers around the king, and all freemen owe him loyalty and a special tax. The king may call his freemen for host to fend off invaders or attack a neighboring tour. The king also convened a regular assembly for political, social, and commercial purposes. In case of the overking, his assembly would be attended by people of other tours. Another type of meeting of freemen, would be legal business transactions supervised by the king. Except on military service or pilgrimage and attending gatherings outside the tour, the freeman must stay in their tour. Beyond the borders, the freeman has no rights. Except the learned class are entitled to travel freely between the tour, including the lawyers who appear to have kept contact with their colleagues in other tours. The king is responsible for relations with the other tours. Most kings do recognize also the overlordship of the overkings, and the usual method of acknowledging is accepting gifts from their superior king. The subject king may be required to give tribute and hand over hostages to their superior king. The king also can make a treaty with another king of another tour. The treaty is bound by the people at the assembly, and a person who is a victim by a person of another tour to obtain legal redress for which the person suffered. So if a person, let's say, hurt another person of another tour, and if the two tours have a legal agreement, well, then the person that done the harm can really be brought to assembly, and there'll be a whole court about it. Now, the injuries covered under the arrangement include killing or wounding, robbery with violence, theft, housebreaking, arson, since can't really say that word onto YouTube's laws apparently, and satire. So that is today's episode. The next episode tomorrow will be about cows under early Irish law. Yep, very interesting stuff though. So, goodbye.